Hello friends, today we are going to study determination of total soluble solids in fruits experiment under the course post-harvest management of fruits and vegetables. The objective is to measure the total soluble solids of different fruit samples. Total soluble solids or TSS is measured using refractometer and expressed as degree Brix. Here we will be using today digital refractometer and handheld refractometer. Both these refractometers are portable, that means you can carry them easily on field. So this is our handheld refractometer. This is the case for the refractometer. It comes along with a small screwdriver for calibration. Also, it has dropper or transfer pipette for taking samples. And this is our refractometer. There are different parts in a refractometer. This is eye lens through which you can take the sample readings. This is the rubber grip for holding the refractometer properly. This is calibration screw. It is used for calibrating the refractometer before using it. Screwdriver can be used for calibration. Here you can see small screw, and with the help of the screwdriver you can adjust the calibration of distilled water. This is cover plate, or also known as daylight plate. It is transparent and allows the light to pass through the prism. The blue thing is your prism on which you will keep your samples. After placing the samples, you will cover it with the daylight plate, and then you can take the reading through eye lens. So this is your handheld refractometer. This is portable, easy to carry on field. The next refractometer is digital refractometer. It is also portable. This is the stainless steel sample plate, and inside is the prism. This is the LCD display. We will switch on the refractometer and it will display the room temperature. Here you can see the room temperature is 25.9 degrees Celsius. So first step, we'll clean the prism with deionized water. Before using the refractometer, you have to always clean it with water and wipe it with soft cloth or tissue. You can remove the water using the dropper. Transfer it into empty beaker and wipe it off with clean cloth. Make sure the cloth is soft and it doesn't scratch the prism, or you can even use tissue paper to clean the refractometer prism. Now once the prism is clean, the next step is to calibrate the refractometer. You will use this deionized water, add a few drops on the prism plate, and then we will do read. Since deionized water is pure, it doesn't contain any soluble solids, so reading will be 0. In case the reading is not 0, you can clean the prism again and take the reading and then press 0, so that the water will now be calibrated to 0. So you will remove the water and again we will clean the prism dry. Whenever you are using the dropper or the pipette, in between samples you need to clean it again with clean water, so that any remnant of previous sample is not present in the dropper. We will wipe off the prism plate properly. After this, we will take different readings using different juice samples. This is orange squash, which was prepared by students in February. We will take TSS of this, take few drops of the sample. Make sure you stir the bottle before using. Add the drops on the prism. So we will clean the dropper so that the juice doesn't stick to the inside of the dropper. And now we will take the reading. Press read. Here you can see the TSS shows 51.2 degree Brix. So now we will remove the sample and we need to clean the prism again before taking the second reading. Add few drops of distilled water to the prism to remove any remaining portion of the juice. And we will wipe off the prism. Wipe the prism properly. Now we will take next sample. This is grape juice. This was also prepared by students. Shake the bottle properly before taking the sample. We will add few drops. And press read. So the reading is 23.2 degree Brix. So we have cleaned the prism again before taking the new sample. This is different variety of grape juice. These were prepared as ready to serve and nectar by the students of 5th semester. We have also cleaned the dropper. And now we will take few drops of the sample and place it on the prism plate. Now we will press read. And here you can see the reading is 29.2 degree Brix. So remove the sample and we have to clean the prism. Use distilled water to clean the plate. And before keeping away the refractometer, both digital as well as handheld refractometer, you have to make sure you clean the prism plate, because these juice samples have high TSS and sugar content, and if not cleaned properly, fungus may grow on it, and it will also affect the next reading if there is any remaining sugar or juice present on the prism. So we have wiped clean the refractometer. Here you can see the plate is clean. Now we will turn off the refractometer. Thank you.